Welcome back to Carms Arriza. So for today's recipe, gagawa tayo ng eggs Benedict in 3 ways. First, in bagel bread. Second, in burger bun. Third, in Pandesal bread na sobrang pasasarapin natin to. So let's start! Nag-chop ako ng 2 medium size of white onions and 6 cloves of garlic. So ito ang gagamitin sa pagsaute ng spinach at ng sardines. Ito namang coriander ay imimix to kasama ng cream cheese doon sa ating bagel bread. I add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese dito sa separate bowl at yung chopped na coriander. So mix together lang ito mga kakusina at ito ang i-spread natin sa ating bagel bread. So aside dito sa ating cream cheese spread, ito ang mga ibang ingredients na gagamitin natin dito sa eggs Benedict. We have shiitake mushrooms na nakaslice na siya, smoked salmon, Mortadella beef with olives, sardines in tomato sauce, at fresh spinach na isusutay natin dito sa garlic and onions. So for Hollandaise sauce, these are the ingredients: butter, lemon, 4 egg yolks, and salt and pepper to taste. In low heated pan, add in olive oil, garlic, onions, and saute spinach. So for spinach, cook about 1 minute, mabilis lang itong maluto. And then last, season with salt and pepper para mas malasa. And then set aside. Next, ang ating lulutuin ay itong sliced shiitake mushrooms. Yan. So same pan lang din kung saan tayo naggisa ng spinach. Mabilis lang din. So this about I think 2 minutes. Medyo mas matagal lutuin compared doon sa spinach. So yan, just saute lang. Set aside natin. So next is poached egg. So I use non-stick skillet. Add in 2 inches of water to boil in low heat. Just carefully crack the egg and slowly place down to the water. Huwag natin yung sobrang baksak ng egg kasi hindi mabubuo yung white niya. So dahil nga since sa water lang natin siya iluluto. At sobrang hina din ng apoy dahil hindi kailangan itong boil na boil talaga yung water. And covered lang itong ating pan para mag-steam yung egg hanggang sa mag-firm yung white at yung egg yolk. So, ito yung way ng cooking ko ng poached egg, but yung iba nilalagyan nila ng vinegar. But just case, ito tinry kong hindi mag-add ng vinegar. So, if nahihirapan naman kayong mag-poach ng egg, why not dito tayo sa option number 2, pwede tayo mag-sunny side up. So, in low heat, yan, sunny side up ako, gusto ko runny yung egg yolk niya, kaya dapat hindi malakas yung apoy natin. So, just season with salt, yung normal na pagluluto ng egg. Depende sa inyo kung gusto yung well done talaga yung inyong egg, why not. So, next, ang ating Hollandaise sauce. So, for the Hollandaise sauce, meron tayong 200 grams of butter na kailangan nating i-melt. At pagka-melt, isi-set aside lang natin to. So, next, separate the egg yolk from white. So, kailangan natin ng 4 egg yolks for the 200 grams of melted butter. And that yan. In separate bowl naman, we need a heat-proof mixing bowl and filled with boiling water. So, fill half with boiling water and place another smaller bowl doon sa ibabaw. So, just add the egg yolks, melted butter, lemon juice, and whisk all together hanggang sa mag-double yung size, yung volume ng ating mixture. And then, this is optional guys. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng 1 teaspoon of mustard, okay lang. At pwede rin naman hindi. So, yan. Just season with salt and pepper itong ating mixture. Hanggang sa maging smooth at thick itong sauce. So, in low preheated pan, naglagay ako ng butter para i-toast itong ating bagel bread. So, once na na-toast ang ating bagel bread both sides, yan pwede na natin i-assemble. So, ito maglalagay ako ng cream cheese na nilagyan ko with the coriander. Yan. So, ito ang ating spinach na sinote with garlic and onions. At ito naman ating smoked salmon na naka-thinly slice na siya. So, ito dito sa ating video hindi halata pero naka-slice na yan ng manipis. Yan. So, dito natin ilalagay sa ibabaw ng spinach. And then, yan. So, next, itong ating egg. So, itong ating egg, ito yung pinoach natin nung una. So, yan yung poach egg natin. And then, last, itong ating Hollandaise sauce. So, just drizzle with Hollandaise sauce. Yan, very thick yung ating sauce at maganda yung pagkaka-beat natin kanina. So, just actually, ang tip lang para sa maganda at thick na sauce, na Hollandaise sauce, dapat talagang continuous yung pagbiwis nyo. So, yun, hanggang sa yun, mag-thick siya. And yes guys, ito na ang ating recipe number 1, eggs Benedict in bagel bread. So, sa tingin ko kung L na L kayo, luwag na luwag, why not ito ang gawin yung recipe? Dahil medyo may kamahalan lang yung ibang ingredients like yung smoked salmon. Yan, masasabi ko medyo mahal siya ng konti at hindi rin kasi siya makikita sa lahat ng grocery, hindi siya naman available. At itong bagel bread, hindi lahat ng supermarket may bagel bread, medyo may kamahalan din siya. At yan, so dito tayo sa recipe number 2. Kung medyo LK kayo or luwag ng konti, why not ito ang gawin nyo. So guys, ito nag-fried ako ng mortadella beef, hindi din naman siya ganun kamahal, okay lang siya. So at ito nag-toast ako ng burger bun. At meron din naman cream cheese itong ating burger bun. So, nag-spread ako ng cream cheese. At yan, meron ding spinach. Merong mushroom, yung sinote ko kanina. At itong ating mortadella beef. And then, on top of mortadella beef, meron tayong sunny side up egg. And last, drizzle with Hollandaise sauce. And yan, ito na ang ating recipe number 2, eggs Benedict in burger bun. So, next is itong recipe number 3. So, sinote ko ang ating sardines in tomato sauce with the garlic and onions. Yan, saute lang ng konti hanggang sa maluto. At ito naman ang ating pandesal bread na ito-toast natin with butter. So, once na na-toast na siya, pwede na natin i-assemble. So, next, itong ating toasted pandesal bread with the sardines on top. Then, yan, next is ating spinach na sinote din kanina. And next, itong ating sunny side up egg. Then, last is drizzle with the Hollandaise sauce. At yes, itong ating recipe number 3, eggs Benedict in Pandesal Bread. So, kung ikaw ay LB, low budget, ito ang pwede mong sundin dahil mapapasarap mo ang pandesal with sardines and egg at syempre itong ating Hollandaise sauce. So, yan guys, thank you for watching. Please like, hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos at syempre mag-subscribe din kayo mga kakusina. Don't forget. Thank you for watching.